Yo, time is it? It's me time finally again. I had been away. But in the meantime, let's just say that event with all those badges paid off, and this new market crash paid off. Now, look at this team I've assembled. You are not going to believe this. Y'all really are going to be baffled. Ready for this? That Dr. J I bought before this market crash all the way. It was like 540,000, but it came with 3 legend badges and a whole bunch of halves. Now I got him with 6 legend badges, 43 half. Feel me? Fucking look at this Connie Hawkins that I've been working on the whole year. Ready? 33 halves, 3 legend badges. Feel me? This LeBron I picked up yesterday or today for 250K or 260K or 240K maybe after I got my chips back. Dude, 8 legend badges. Dude, this is ridiculous. I got Porzingis with 26 halves instead of 17 for fucking like 100K flat or something. And I got Bol with 28 halves instead of like also a low number. This is also on mobile, so it's different. But yeah, still, dude, it's a way lower number than 28 for his base card. I got Terry I've been building with 40 halves and a legend badge. Bro, Jonathan Isaac even with 17 halves. And I just been fucking, dude. My team is so set. Even like Castle got brick wall and 3 other halves, and even this dude's got 3 extra halves, and he's a sniper. Dude, this team is so fun. Dude, I got the game is just easier now. This team is ridiculous. This LeBron, look at these fucking legend badges I got this guy with. You guys are not gonna believe this. Look at these fucking legend badges I got. I got for 260K. Look at this guy. He's the best LeBron in the game, maybe. Masher, Deadeye, Limitless Range, a break starter, Dimer, Challenger, post lockdown, box up piece. I can play him at the 4, dude. I can play him at the 4. Straight up. Why can't I play him at the 4? He's 6'9". I mean, he might be the best power forward in the game, honestly, at this point. The rebound is a little, The block is a little, But post lockdown on legend, shit, that's my 2 cents. But let's get into it. Let's play one. I need like 8 more wins. I get a Galaxy Opal. Shit. That's nice. Oh, that's real nice. I might do that tonight. I'll do 1 game here. I don't really want to load everything. Yeah, I'll just... Fuck it, let's get it. Oh yeah, this guy's pretty good, I think. Oh. Dude, honestly though, like, this is the most fun I ever had playing my team. Dude, I've assembled a fucking god squad, and the cards just this LeBron card would never get old. You also don't understand about this year's game is like these cards being this cheap is crazy because these cards will play forever. Throw the ball in, dude. You quit already? Oh boy. His controller died or something. Okay then. Controller died, I think. Alrighty. Well, I don't really need to include the gameplay in this video. All y'all need to know is that I have 200K still. I got fucking cards worth like, dude, that LeBron and Dr. J cards alone should be worth $1 million. 2 of them together. Plus, I got mad other little cards I've been picking up just for no reason. Shits and giggles. All them badges, bro. I probably made like $1 mil. At least. And I didn't even go all the way with it. Like, I got J-Rich. And I accidentally got like a bunch of the duos too, and I pressed automatically like pick my shit for me or whatever the fuck it was in the exchange. Bro, throw the fucking ball. Come on, dude. Holy shit, this team is legit, dude. I think I have my favorite team I could have, possibly. Yeah, I'll just be staying with this team for the whole year. I'm pretty solid. Bro, this guy is not gonna move. Well, what the fuck am I witnessing, dude? Alright. So fucking annoying. Yeah, you're done, dude. Get off of my shit. Alright, you guys saw how good I am. That was your time.